Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video presentation. Before I show my video presentation, I want to introduce myself. My name is Wahyu Lestari. I'm third semester with NPM 061940512772. Okay, in this opportunity, I want to share my video presentation. The title about text structure patterns of organization. Patterns of organization. Text structure is how information is organized in writing. Text structures or patterns of organization not only vary from writing to writing, but text structures may also change frequently from paragraph to paragraph within a single piece of writing. 7 common types of patterns of organization or text structures. Number 1. Chronological order. Number 2. Compare or contrast. Number 3. Order of importance. Number 4. Sequence. Number 5. Spatial. Number 6. Cause and effect. And number 7. Problem and solution. Chronological order. When information in a passage is organized by the time in which each event occurred, it is organized chronologically. A chronological pattern of organized, arranged information according to a progression of time, either forward or backward. The clue words are first, before, after, when, later, less, and others. Compare or contrast. Compare or contrast is a text structure or pattern of organization where the similarities and differences of two or more things are explored. It is important to remember that with the compare and contrast text structure, the text should be discussing similarities and differences. The text must do what to be considered compare and contrast. The clue words are similar, different on the other hand, but however in the same way, like and like and the others. Order of importance. Details are given in the list, but the author indicates which items in the list are more important than others, either from the less important to the most important or from the most to the least important. The clue words center and with, finally, self, finishing with, major, most essential, and the others. Sequence. Sequential order or process writing as it is sometimes called is when information in a passage is organized by the order in which it occurs. Sequential organization is frequently confused with chronological order. Text organized chronologically occur at specific time and setting, whereas text describing progresses or sequences do not occur at any specific time and place. The clue words are first, next, before, lastly, then, and the others. Spatial. Spatial organization is when information in a passage is organized in order of space or location. Spatial patterns of organization arrange information according to how things fit together in physical space. If we were to describe the room in which we were sitting right now, we will be using spatial organization. The clue words are next to, behind, across from, below that, above that, the right of, and the others. Cause and effect. This pattern is used to show the different causes and effects of various conditions. Paragraph structure as cause and effect explains the reasons why something happened or the effect of something. The clue words are for this reason, sequentially, because, on that account, as a result, therefore, however, and the others. Problem and solution. The text presents a significant problem and explains it in detail. Then, a possible solution is suggested. Sometimes only the problem is presented because there is no solution. The clue words are answer, need, resolve, solve, improve, problem, respond to, and difficulty. Okay, and the last, I say thank you for attention and watching in my video presentation. I hope you are enjoyed with my video. See you in next video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.